Peace, my family, and brought back to all those coming out of that good cocoon for the first time. Welcome. This your girl, the butterfly. We about to take off. Let's fly. Just want to send you all that good healing energy your way. Peace, love, happiness, harmony, and abundance. Hope you guys are out there keeping your mind right in that good mind. How y'all feeling? Hope you guys most definitely moving on up in your higher natures and cleansing you. You know what's up. We gotta cleansing the lows. I came on here today to read, and this is the Torah, and this right here will certainly help you on this good journey. It continues, and this is Genesis chapter 1. Let's read. Alright, this is the two waters, clouds and oceans, and it reads: the Earth's atmosphere or air is composed of the gases ammonia, which is nitrogen, and hydrogen, methane, which is carbon, and hydrogen, and water, which is hydrogen and oxygen. At this point, the Earth was still a burning hot mass, and there was a mixture of gases which formed rings around the Earth. These are many rings which contained heavy carbon and minerals, and had rings that had hydrocarbon still further from the Earth. The outermost ring was water, air. It is mist. It was separated from the waters upon the planet Earth. The purpose of the firmament was to part the waters above and below, meaning that it separated the waters which was surrounding the planet Earth from the waters which were upon the planet Earth. And it's pretty much goes into, and it's called the astral belt, or the necklace of the sky. This firmament extended, and it became known today as the Samuam, meaning the sky. And the Elohim commanded the firmament, which is the astral belt, to be in the middle of this solar system, between Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, the two sets of planets which water with water, so that it would separate water on the planet Earth, which is below, from the water on other planets above and the clouds. The Elohim Anunnaki made an arched firmament like a beaded necklace and astral belt. The sky visible and separated between the two waters, one which was beneath and beaten out the firmament, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, from the others which was above, the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And this happened. So let's go on. Next heading is called the collection of waters, and it reads: the Elohim Anunnaki named the firmaments the skies, and it was thus period in the new second day of 7,000 years was over. The Elohim Anunnaki said amongst each other, the waters beneath the skies are to be brought together as one mass, as oceans, rivers, streams, lakes, and let the dry land be seen. And this happened. And the Elohim Anunnaki called out that the planet Earth would be called dry ground, landmass, king, and the waters that were gathered together, they called after the seas of Tammuz. And the Elohim Anunnaki saw that things this way were agreeable, to be agreeable. And Anunnaki, the Elohim, said amongst each other, let the earth now spread seeds into them in order to yield new seeds, and a fruit there shall grow with seeds in them from the landmass. And all of this happened. So the planet Earth did bring forth grass and herbs with seeds in themselves, and great trees within it, and the Elohim within it. And the Elohim, Anunnaki, saw that these things this way were agreeable, and it was thus period, and the third day of the 7,000 years was over. Alright, so this right here is a good place to stop, because that is the end of that heading. So I'm gonna leave it at that for now. Again, family, you are encouraged so much so to check this out yourself and read. It is on the channel if you are interested. And on that note, family, I want you all to know that you are loved beyond this world and in it. Begin to spread that love one to another. Be the peace that you seek. Released, our master teacher, Dr. Malachi L. Peace, salam, Hashem, divine love, family, and Wadu. And it's all.